Started out wild like a fever dream. Hallucination sparks set our souls agleam. Grandfather's voice whispering in the trees. Pride in our chests like thunder on the breeze. Out here where the heart gets real, muddy boots and a brand new feel. Hiking through the rain, let it wash it all away. Face soaked, shoes heavy, still we won't stray. Past falling off like leaves in a flood. Soaking up hope, new life in our blood. Pass the torch, yeah, it's your turn to lay it. I'm laying down power, now take what you need. This is our adventure, come what may. Hiking through the rain, wash it all away. Bonding in the forest where old wounds mend.
It's a waterfall!
Roots run deep where the heart descends.
It's a waterfall in the forest!
Feel every moment like lightning in the veins.
Alright, so we're at the
Laughing at the storm, singing both our
turns out that the temperate rainforest in Olympic National
path
Forest has
keeps
a lot of
calling
rain.
us on.
Imagine that. There's a lot of rain
Even when the
here.
road
But
feels
this
long,
waterfall's
hiking
pretty
through
bad.
the rain, let it wash it all away. Face soaked, shoes heavy, still we won't stray. Past falling off like leaves in a flood. Soaking up hope, new life in our blood. Pass the torch, yeah, it's your turn to lead. I'm laying down power, now take what you need. This is our adventure, come what may. Hiking through the rain, wash it all away. Watch the ocean rewrite our history. Driftwood memories carried by the tide. We stand in awe with nothing left to hide. Hiking through the rain, let it wash it all away. Face soaked, hearts lighter every new day. Past disappear like dust on the wind. Power of the sea says begin again. Pass the torch, yeah, we rise up free. New generations changing destinies. This is our adventure, come what may. Hiking through the rain, wash it all away. Wash it all away.
This is an homage to 1994 VHS. What do you like about the whole rainforest so far?
The trees.
The trees. Yeah, anything else?
Moss. and
Father and son breathing forth.
rainforest, no rain.
That's fair.
On their jackets,
So we're gonna go up and see where the snow might be, right?
And there might be some elk up there too.
Hope we can see those elk. They were supposed to be right over here.
Every drop a story, every leaf a song.
What would you say to anybody who wants to come to that whole rainforest?
The sky while his son just listens.
All right, there you have it. Stay away.
No, you got it. This is amazing.
Oh, the rain came down like a blessing.
It's almost like Steelville, but
Washing
A little different. What would Will Rogers say about this forest?
through the green cathedral finding pieces of our
He wouldn't be like have some cool cowboy saying. All right, there you have it. We don't know what Will Rogers would say.
I'll think about it.
All right, stay tuned.
followed the scent of the salt and the ocean, down where the hillside falls open and wide. Driftwood bleached like the bones of old giants, waves bubbling laughter up onto the tide. The sun split the clouds like a gentle forgiveness, a rainbow leaning into the light of the bay. He smiled like a dawn I could hold in my memory, and I felt time slow in the softest way. Oh, the rain came down like a blessing, washing old worries from our bones. Through the green cathedral we wander, finding pieces of ourselves unknown.
Was there like a phrase?
There by the roots
experience
of the ancient and endless, a circle of mushrooms rose from the earth, golden caps shining like lanterns of wonder, a doorway to magic, to play, to rebirth. We knelt in the hum
we've
of a
reached,
world still turning,
Ruby Beach. Right. Yeah, that's where we're
tree
at
of
now.
life trembling with
behind me.
breathing light.
Got some epic stuff going on back there.
Father and son,
Driftwood.
just humans and heartbeat, carried by the forest into deeper sight. And the rain turned warm like forgiveness, sunlight dripping gold across the sea. We walked out laughing through the shoreline, feeling ancient, wild, alive and free. In the hush between thunder and ocean, in the rainbow arched over the foam.
Alright, so the cool thing about
that
Olympic
love
National
grows like the
Forest is you can go all the way from the mountains to the beach.
rooted deep,
That's what's cool. So we can see the beach, we can see the
always
mountains,
taking us
we can see the
home.
forest. Alright, we made it. We're down now at the beach. Here we go. We made it to the beach. Now you got a video of me taking a video of you. It is cool.
Way will be side stuff.
Rain on the leaves, rain on the skin, a father and a son, walking in. Most below, clouds above, the forest breathing ancient love. We walk
Alright, so this is the second night hotel that we rented. It's pretty nice, you know? It's got a cool beachfront view.
We walk slowly, we breathe deeply, we are here.
This is the Tree of Life.
Heartbeats echo
It's got birds at the top of it. It's kind of near a beach. The problem is that they think it's going to get washed out soon. So Tree of Life isn't really the most appropriate name for this tree.
no need to
But if they put some dirt back there, it would become the Tree of Life again.
The forest listens when we're meek. We walk slowly, we breathe deeply, we are here. We walk slowly, we breathe deeply, we
All
are.
right, so we're here next to Big Cedar, and Dad finally has a quote from Will Rogers that he believes is useful. All right, tell us the quote.
There's no argument in the world carries the hatred that a religious belief does. The more learned a man is, the less consideration he has for another man's belief.
Amen.
Down the slope to ocean's edge, footprints fading with the ebb.